Good morning. Actually, it's good afternoon. It's like a little after 12 and I'm making some lunch. I'm actually going to be making this Alfredo, a lemon Alfredo. I have never tried this, but I heard this is so good. I got it from Trader Joe, as you can see. And I'm going to put some kale in and also some spinach into the pasta as well. The pasta is about ready to go. I'm going to also season it up and everything. So I literally have just been chilling. I actually woke up this morning and cleaned my entire apartment outside of my closet room. I kind of just shut the door and was like, no. So I'm about to try to finalize this, put everything into one pot, season it up, let it start marinating, and then
utilize our leftovers. Southwest salad, a little bit of fries on the side. We're kind of double carving it. And
y'all, this looks so good to me. I don't know about y'all, but mixing in the kale and the spinach, I'm just like, yes. I put in some seasoning. When you're cooking, do you clean as you go, or are you one of those like compile it all at the end and then clean? I love a clean kitchen. I don't have a large kitchen space as it is. It motivates me to clean even more. But I don't want to wait till after I'm done eating to like clean the kitchen. Comment down below if you're the same or if you just leave your shit trashed. What do you do? If I had a dishwasher, I would definitely be the type to load my dishwasher as I like use a dish. But you know, I don't have the luxuries of that right now. Until I have those amenities, I just like to just go ahead and literally wash every single dish and just like don't have to worry about it after I'm done eating. Because literally when I'm done eating, I just want to relax, okay? You guys, I just came to get some Joe and the juice. Oops, sorry. So I am basically at work. I'm just on a 15-minute break. Need to get just some food in my system. So tonight I should be going out with a friend. Yeah, it's been a really interesting, weird weekend going into the next week. I don't know. I feel like I want to sit down and chat and like have a candid conversation with you guys, just based off of like me having new followers or new subscribers, and just kind of, you know, intro myself and what this channel is all about. So yeah, allow me to reintroduce myself. And I'm probably try to do that tonight before I go out. Maybe I just came in here to get the perfume. It's actually the last one. Look at this bag. It's so stinking cute. It's actually on sale. It says up to 70% off, but I believe this bag is, let's see, $99. That's not bad, but ooh, it's so cute. It's mad early in the morning and I couldn't sleep, so I decided to kind of stay up. I woke up at like 3. It's literally I think 4:16 right now. I decided to do a little workout as well on my yoga mat. I'll insert the 30-day challenge that my friend sent to me, and he was like, yo, we should do it, blah, blah, blah. I started maybe 8 days ago. Now, I say that to say I have not been consistent. I did it that first day, and then I have not gotten back into the rhythm of it. I actually had some days where I wasn't feeling well and all kind of stuff. But there's been a lot of days where I've been lazy too, or just procrastinating and all that stuff. So I decided to start all over. I wasn't going to go into day 2. I just literally went to day 1 again. So I'm going to just try to be consistent this time and just focus on myself. I just want to get back to a healthier place because I was definitely on a fitness lifestyle journey in 2019. I started gaining weight. I gained about 20 pounds back. Honestly, I don't care about a number. Like, it's not about that for me. I just really want to be healthy. I want to look in the mirror and like look at my body and I'm like, yes, snatched. So that's where I'm trying to get to. Feeling healthy and also appreciating what I see in the mirror. That's the key. So I just did the little workout and I'm just like, whatever, I'm gonna do it. Another update, which is great. So today is technically Wednesday. Tomorrow on Thursday, I have a doctor's appointment, and then I also have a delivery coming. And guess what I bought? You guys, it's been a long time coming. I've been talking about these Billy bookcases from IKEA for the longest time. So I'm super excited to finally have the Billy bookcases delivered. I was gonna try to go to IKEA, but first and foremost, going to IKEA is like going to Target. Like, you just end up buying stuff that you don't need. Y'all, I'm so excited to get these because I really want for my closet room to come together. I feel like, you know, I draw off inspiration when I get dressed. Like, I sometimes have, you know, outfits in my mind. I have like ideas, but I feel like when it's displayed in a way that makes me want to get dressed, I think I go even harder. And I think here and there I'll pop out with an outfit, you know what I'm saying? I'll flex a little bit, like, but I feel like I can definitely go harder. And I feel like because I can't see all of my clothes like on display, and my shoes are cramped, they're on top of each other, they're getting dirty, they're getting squished. Like, I just really want everything to work out and be more cohesive in my closet area. So I am excited for that to come together. Can't wait because the outfit's about to be on flex, okay?
Oh, thank you.
Guys, look at this. So first of all, I got this mask maybe like 3 weeks ago or so, and legit, I don't know what the fuck is on there. I think that's bleach or something, but how? I have no idea how that got there, but we're gonna roll with it. I'm gonna just, you know, pretend like it's tie-dye. But what's up, y'all? I have on this super cute hat. It's my first time wearing it. I love this hat, y'all. I got this from Forever 21, I think. I think it's a little cocked to the side. Just starting my day on my way to work. Got me some chai tea latte. Yeah. I've been trying to figure out how I'm gonna like sit down and talk to you guys. I think maybe I'll do it on my lunch break. But yeah. Headed to work. I'll talk to you guys later. it was kind of windy. I hope that you guys can hear me, but I'm actually headed to the dentist office. And yeah, I talked about in my last vlog how I went to a doctor's appointment. So today I'm going to the dentist. I'm really just trying to get all of my ducks in a row and, you know, be an adult. Because I feel like, you know, you can easily put stuff off. But why? You pay for insurance, you might as well use it, you know. So that's what I'm doing right now. And luckily I can walk there from my apartment. So that's great. Good morning, guys. When I last talked to you guys, I was headed to the dentist office. Obviously, it's a whole new day. It's the next day. I'm headed to work, you know. So, dentist went great. Definitely some work I got to do. Just like with everything. My health, like I said, this year, I am on a journey to just really better my health all around in every facet of that. And I'm really excited to just be on this journey and just doing all of that. So, you know, yeah, I think I'm gonna just leave this vlog here and just continue with my day.